This is the ASTM E57 format for 3D imaging, Lidar. It stores millions of laser points. You need point cloud software like CloudCompare to visualize the 3D scan. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical E57 data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. An E57 File is a vendor-neutral file format for storing point cloud data, commonly generated by 3D imaging systems like laser scanners, Lidar, and structured light scanners. It contains a collection of 3D points, each with associated attributes such as X, Y, and Z coordinates, intensity, color, and normals. E57 Files are designed for efficient storage and exchange of large point cloud datasets. The E57 format is based on the ASTM E2807 standard. It uses a hierarchical data model with a compressed binary structure for efficient storage. The file includes metadata describing the scanner settings, coordinate system, and other relevant information. The format supports both dense and sparse point clouds and allows for the inclusion of additional attributes beyond basic 3D coordinates. The E57 file is widely endorsed for use with CloudCompare, developed by CloudCompare. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows won't show parametric history or layers, so full comprehension requires engineering tools. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your E57 file and hit Open With. Try the recommended CloudCompare first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. When your E57 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this E57 error to appear? First, use point cloud software. Open the file using a Lidar point cloud processing software, e.g. CloudCompare, ReCap, or Cyclone. Next, check version. Ensure your point cloud software version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to LAS.txt. Use the software's export function to save the data as a universal format like .las or .txt. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.